If you want to connect Framer to Shopify quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to link a Framer button to your Shopify product or checkout page, so you can send visitors straight from your site to your store. This is a fast setup, it's beginner friendly, and it works great if you want to add buy now buttons, product links, or a direct checkout experience without building a complicated integration. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you'll want to copy your Shopify product link or checkout link. The exact link you use depends on where you want customers to land. If you want them to view a product first, copy the product page link. If you want them to go directly to checkout, copy the Shopify checkout link instead. Once you have that copied, open Framer and go into the project where you want the button to appear. Inside your Framer project, you're going to add a text button. You can label it something simple like Buy Now, Shop Now, or View Product. Keep it short and clear so visitors immediately understand what happens when they click it. After you place the buttons on the page, click to select it. This is important because the next step happens in the right side settings panel. With the button selected, look over to the right panel and find the link option. This is where you tell Framer what should happen when someone clicks the button. Paste in your Shopify checkout link or your Shopify product link here. Make sure the full link is added correctly because even a small mistake can break the flow and send people to the wrong page. Once the link is pasted, Framer will connect that button directly to your Shopify destination. At this point, it's a good idea to test everything. Preview your page and click the button to confirm it opens the correct Shopify product or checkout page. If the page loads correctly, you're all set. If not, go back and double check the link you pasted into the link field. A quick test saves time and makes sure your visitors have a smooth experience. This setup is especially useful if you want to keep your Framer site simple while still selling products through Shopify. You don't need a complex checkout system inside Framer. Instead, you can use Framer for the design and Shopify for the store and checkout process. That gives you a clean website, a fast workflow, and a reliable e-commerce path for your customers. So, to recap, copy your Shopify product or checkout link, open your Framer project, add a text button, select it, go to the right panel, open link, and paste in your Shopify checkout link. That's the whole process. It only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helped you connect Framer to Shopify, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.